Alright, have a nice day guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we have to make this manage categories design, and we need to program this design today. So we have front-end engineering part and back-end engineering part. So first I will show you how to design this thing, and now we are going to our program. So we need to go to Bootstrap and get example model and come into our code area. Now you can see this shows my product categories in my website, and we can also add new category. So this is a new category. I add this I add this previously. So I will show you how to add categories with this button. So in the coding area, we have another model to add to manage product.php file. So this is the second model here. We need to add this ID for that, and I am talking about customization only. You can copy and paste your design here and mark your start of model and end of model like this, and you need to give this ID to first div box in the model. You can give this ID add category model, and also we are coming to this line. This is model header, so you can give this add new category header in the model header. And also model body, we can give this enter new category input field, and this label new category name label, and put this enter your email label, and give this input field to enter your email, because we need when we add some new categories, we want to verify our email, because we don't know if this is a hacker or something else. We want to go to our email and get our verification code and send it on there. So this is the security option here. So now I give this close and save new category, and I give this command here. I will explain about you after that. And we are coming to third model. I give this Bootstrap example model here also, and I give this ID add category verification model. So we have some transaction with lowercase and uppercase letters in this ID. So now we want to send this to JavaScript. When we programming in JavaScript, we want to copy that thing and paste it on there for our safety. So when we miss any lowercase or uppercase letter, we have errors in our JavaScript. Alright, you must copy this ID and paste it on there, and also follow that method to get these commands and anything else to JavaScript or any other files. So, and this is the third model here. We need to give this verification title for model header, and enter verification code. I need to put this input field to enter my verification code. And you can see this model footer. I give this verify and save button, and also close button. We have this close button already in this Bootstrap design. So this is the design of today. We are going to the bottom of the page. Bottom of the page means we are going to below the pagination part. So you can see the pagination part. So we need to give this HR tag to separate our line with the horizontal line. You can see it. I separate this with horizontal line, and now you can design your manage categories space. And now you can see I give this manage categories as a text dark and FW bold and text uppercase properties. So now I can see like this. You can see like this in uppercase letters with dark color. And again I give horizontal line to separate these manage categories from this design, and I give a column 12 and marginal bottom tree for this div class, and I make a row and gutter 2. And now I need to search my categories from my category table. So I make that category result set to search categories, and make category number variable and assign it to category result set and number rows connection. And now I can get this category number variable to this for loop and check it is greater than $x variable, means for loop variable. And $category data variable, I made that variable and assign it to $category result set and fetch as of connection. And we are coming to this design. So we give this column 12 and large screen. I want to show column 4 as column 4, and I want to give offset 1 in large screens. And now I get this border danger color and rounded borders for my categories. So now you can see rounded borders in my categories and border danger color pasted border danger color applied to my borders. And also I give offset 1 for everything, and also I paste gutter 2 to separate these gaps. And now I need to get my category names on there, and I want to get that trash fill icon, we can get that in our Bootstrap website. So we are going to icon site here. So I'm closing that, and you can get the trash. Yeah, you can get some trash fill icons. Now I get this trash fill tree and paste it on there, and give text range color to make that icon red. So you can see, make that icon red. I want to give this text range color, and we are coming to this line. We get this for loop here. We want to make design below the for loop. Now there is a add new category command here inside the onClick attribute. You want to see it, and now I give these properties. Inside this div box, I give column 12 and column large 3, offset large 1, border 2, border success color, and rounded text color. So now you can see what is in border success color. This is the thing we are going to design and programming. So this is the add new category button programming here. So we give these properties to that button, and I don't make it like a button. I want to make it like a div. So I give this command to that div box, and we are coming to this line, and we make that row and column 8, and I give this marginal top 2 and marginal bottom 2, and I give this add new category label here, and I need to make it like a blue color. So I give this text primary property for that, and now I want to give this plus icon. So we can also get that plus icon using Bootstrap. You need to search plus, and now we can get plus icons, minimum icons here. I get that plus square fill for my design, and now we are good. We make our plus icon like green color, so text success, and now we make these all things. These all things, and we come into our design. Now we know how to design this page, and now we go to our programming part. So now we need to now you know how to make this search query, and this program part is fine. We talk about that. And now we want to talk about this command, this add new category command. So I'm going to JavaScript file, and there's add new category. I make that CM global variable to get my model, and make this function like that, and make variable mo and assign it to document.getElementById add category model ID. So I want to get that add category model ID from there. So you can see it, add category model. I told you copy and paste this because you can mistake some lowercase and uppercase letters in there. So I get that ID here using this getElementById option, and now I use this global variable to get my Bootstrap model here, and I include this ID also in that model, and I want to show that model here. So I made that function like this, and now we want to show how to verify our category. So we have verify category command here, so we need to program that command in the JavaScript. So we are programming that verify category in JavaScript. So I need to make that tree global variable here, and get verify category command on there, and I need to make this MCM variable and assign it to this add category verification model ID. So we can give spaces or anything for ID. We can give underscore for ID, but that is that's not unnecessary. So we can make this like that, and you can copy this and paste it on there. And now we can get our VC global variable to show our model, and we need to get that ID inside the bracket. And now I need to get this E global variable, and I want to get that email value. Now you know where we put this E value. So if I show you that, we get that E value to our email field, and also we give this ID M for our new category name field. So now we need to get that E value and M value to there using this global variable global variables, and I can get this with document.getElementBy function, getElementById function, and I need to get the values of email and new categories. Now I am making AJAX request inform. I made var f, I made variable like f and assign it to form data object. Now I make this on ready state change, and I check ready state. If ready state equal to 4, you know what I mean. We are success, we go into this response text, and I assign that to variable text. And if a ready state equal to 4, we can success, we can if ready state equal to 4, our response text is success. So we want to check if response text is equal to success, and if it is success, we want to hide that model and get verification model on there. So we need to hide that model. We made that this model, we made this add new category model here. You can see this CM So we made that model. Now our response text is equal to 4 and it's success. We need to hide that model and we need to show verify category model. So I give this like that, and else I want to show alerts. What's the error? I want to see the error, and we get that request variable and get open method. I need to send my request to server side using post method, because we made some form, AJAX form. This is my server side file at new category process.php, and this is true statement. I want to send my request to server side using this true statement, and send method. I want to get this form into this send method and send that form to server side. Now we need to check what is the add new category process.php file. So we are going to the top of the page and add new category process. Okay, add new category process. Yeah, we can have this file, and now you can see it. We start PHP scriptlet tag here, and I start session function here, and I need to require my connection class and SMTP file, PHP mailer file, and exception file. So I show you those 3 files in my forget password video and my admin verification video, admin signing video. So you know what is the SMTP file and PHP mailer file and exception.php file. So I'm not going to show you about that. You can go to forgot password process video and also admin verification process video. So I will pop up that video cards top of the video, so you can click on links and go and see. And now I need to check if my email value is coming to server side and my name and admin name coming to server side, and if it is coming to server side, I want to execute this line, and I need to get admin's email with this add user, which is our admin session data, and equals, and check it is equal to this coming email. This we send some email to server side. I want to check that email is equal to our admin's email. So I use that line to check that thing. So there's a validation part here. You can see the validation part. If my admin's email is also equal to server side sending email, we can execute these lines. Else you can get invalid user like this kind of alert. And now I make this CName as category name. So I give this variable CName and assign it to category name, and get this umail variable to get my admin's email using this $post associative array. And I made this category search here. I want to search category name from category table, and I need to assign that search to category result set, because we need to know what category is in our home page already. So when some admin enter category, when some admin enter some already existed category, we need to echo this category already exists. So we need to search our categories from our category table using database. So I make that database search query for that. And now I make this category number variable and assign it to category result set and number rows connection. And if category number variable equal to 0, I want to execute this line, and I want to get unique ID for my code, category code. And I need to update admin verification when we send email to admin. So I give this update query for that. I need to get this email code. You can get this email code also in forget password PHP. So you can copy this email code on these lines. You want to copy these lines, and now we can paste it on there. It is the easiest way to do that. And now you can see this username. So I want to send the email to that email, and this is my two-step verification code. You know what the two-step verification code? It's a Google service. You can activate it in your email and get this kind of code. Then you can paste it on there. And you must not use this code to send your verification code, because using this code means your verification code is coming to me. So you must make your own with two-step verification. And my category verification email is going to this email, and I can add reply to this email also. And now my mail subject is category verification code. So I can have my category verification like a blue color, and I need to bind this $code here. so I need to get unique ID for that. And now I need to give this send method here. I need to make send connection, and if it is success, we can get our code, or any errors, or our firewall and virus guard is activated, we can echo this. We can have this kind of echo verification code sending failed. Alright guys, we made that category process file. Now let's see how to save some categories using model. So this is the third model here. So we talk about this third model, save category model. So we need to give this ID. We need to get that ID here and copy it. And now you can get this function save category here. So you need to give this model text ID. I will show you that ID. So you can see this model text ID. I give this ID to my verification code input field. So you can see the input field. Alright. Now I want to get that ID to there and assign it to text variable. And there is a AJAX requesting form method here. I make a form variable and make form data object and get my text variable as a T and email as a E and new category model as a M. So we made that E and M options on there. So we need to get that E and M option, E and M variable also in there. So I make request variable and get XML HTTP request object, and I need to check the ready state. If it is equal to 4, it means response text is equal to success. So we need to check the response text is equal to success. If it is success, we want to hide the hide previous model. So I give this VC hide, and I need to reload my page and add my category on my product page. And if it is any error, we want to alert this, and we are coming to this open method. I want to send my request using post method, and my server side file is save category process.php, and I need to send my request using true statement because we are sending with AJAX requesting method. So I need to get that form inside the send method and send it to server side file. Alright guys, we are coming to our last part of the video. So this is the save category process.php file. So we made that kind of small code here, and I need to require my connection to there. I put that model text ID inside this input field, and I get that model text ID assigned into T value. You can see that T value. I append the T value to that text, and now I need to check my T, E and M values are coming to save category process.php file, which is my server side file. So I can check it like that. I want to check the if T value is coming to my server side and E value and M value, those three values coming to server side using this isSet function. And I made that V code variable here and assign it to T value, UMail variable assign it to E value, and CName I give this CName to get category name. So I need to make that CName variable and assign it to M value. So I'm getting these three values using this $post associative array, and I give this search. I want to search email from admin table. So and I made like that and assign it to admin result set, and I made admin number variable using admin result set and number host connection. And if admin number variable greater than 0 value, that means there is a admin here, admin in our database. So it is greater than 0, it executes this line and send the verification code here. And I need to make this I need to make this admin data variable and admin result set variable and connect it to fetch a sock, and now I can get this admin data assigned to it, and we can get our verification code column and check if it is assigned to our V code, I mean T value. So when we paste on our verification code here, this thing also check it if it is okay. So if it is all okay, if it is equal to our V code value and verification code in our database, we need to insert category name to our website and also our database. So now it is success. Now it is success. We can come to JavaScript, and if it is success, we can hide this model and reload the page and add the category. And that is the only thing. When we have some mistake in our verification code, it echoes invalid verification code, and when we are not a valid user, we can echo this line. So this is the really security website. Now we can go and add new category here. So we are going to add the category, so I click on that, and category name kitchen equipment, and I paste that yeah, this email, and save new category. It's been a while to come next slide, so you can see the next model. So if that model sends, it says our verification code is already sent, so we can get that verification code. You need to refresh your page, and now you can see we can have our category verification code. So we need to get that. It is in blue color, so we can go to this page and copy it from there, and now verify and save. Our page is reloading. Wait for it, and now kitchen equipments are added. Now you can see the category. We have these categories. When you go to your home, you can see the kitchen equipment also added to your home. Alright guys, today part is over. I already exceeding my time, so I'm not gonna make that video longer anymore. So I will catch you guys in my next video. We have little bit we have another 2 or 3 videos to do in this series. So when I finish this series, I will show you what kind of website I have. So that's a tour video for my series. That is the final video in this series. So in the 10 minutes I will show you how to work in this eShop website I made. So I will show you guys sooner that, so because this video series is going to over. So also I bring another video series, that means database management system. Alright guys, I will catch you in my next video. Peace.